The meme orange presents. Crispy memes 35. AI trying to identify old pictures that contain fire hydrants. AI destroying chess grandmasters. ASMR femboy commits tax evasion gone wrong gone skshil NSFW moaning. The FBI. Michael Jackson for absolutely no reason. Thanks for letting me drive British style even though we are in America. I know. Las Vegas. Flooded. People with a gambling addiction. Me as I'm putting away my AC window unit at the end of the summer. We are gonna be okay. You can rest now. Live action remakes. 90s animated Disney movies. These California wildfires are getting out of hand. Greedy capitalist film studio after inventing a movie about how greedy capitalist film studios are. Edgy 13-year-olds in the 2000s. Ultra-religious grandmas in the 90s. Nickelodeon executives in the 2020s. SpongeBob is gay. The Jedi Order. Palpatine. Anakin. Darth Vader. Blue cheese enjoyers when their food doesn't smell like a rotting corpse. Anyone? How much do you care about politics? Me. As much as these dogs do. Okay, your next task is to do a VPN product placement without mentioning country-specific streaming service shows. Teachers when they add and just have fun to the instructions. Why is no one having a good time? I specifically requested it. The Duolingo bird when I haven't been active for 2 days. Beg for your life in Spanish. Stop. I hope both sides of your pillow are cold tonight. 180 centimeters. 5 feet 11 inches. Amazon enables payment at Whole Foods stores with a scan of your palm. Whole Food customers waiting in line. When you Google something, but the answer is not given in a tiny little box. Enough, you idiot. Keep it to 20 words or less. When you spend 5 nights at a Chuck E. Cheese, but you get attacked by the security instead of the animatronics. I was not expecting that. Very homophobic. Acting gay as shit. Me and the boys. Titties. Enjoying getting sucked. When you and your homie say you can't game tonight because you're busy, then get matched against each other. Twitter users when a dentist says your teeth have to be white and straight. What? Let go of the things in your life that are holding you back. Mama. See you in hell. I don't know what kind of dog this is, but I would definitely ride it into battle. When I see legendary cartoons getting stupefied for the younger generation. You're a fucking disappointment. Looking down on all the peasants that can't afford corsets and powdered wigs. You finally get the Minecraft book for Christmas. The name is spelled wrong and the entire book is written in German. The boss when you fight him. The boss when you unlock him as a playable character. I bet he's thinking about other girls. If we don't reach that pole before that car, we are going to f'kin' die. Marvel fans when a crayon disappears between scenes. DreamWorks announced Kung Fu Panda 4. The whole internet. When it's the middle of August and someone mentions Christmas. Me fantasizing about being a kid again. Me as a kid fantasizing about being an adult. People who drew dicks in my textbooks years ago. Me. Starts watching a new series. My YouTube suggestions. About to spoil the entire plot of the show. Nothing beats a wank in the sunshine. Americans when they have to use the metric system. But it's for the caliber of a firearm. Have you even lived if you haven't jammed your fingers into this? Your dog when you smell like another dog. Slut. If someone tells you they are cooler than you, means you are hotter than them. Friend. She doesn't bite. The dog. New manager trying to assert their dominance. The 50-year-old worker who's been with the company for decades. Me after eating healthy all week and then treating myself to some ramen. With my 270 days of experience on Reddit, I can confirm that this the actual logo. That moment you realize you need a girlfriend. Why can't we put nicotine in salad and get addicted to salad? Joker 2 release date announced. It is a musical. I feel like people do not fully understand how much life changed for our species between 1900 and 2000. I still struggle to comprehend it. These events are 66 years apart. When your mom gives you permission to punch the piece of shit bullying you last year and you see him the first day of school. Scorched earth. The 1% praying right now that Trump didn't have any pictures of them at Jeffrey Epstein's island in his safe. What do you want to be? Rich 27%. Poor 1%. Happy 52%. Healthy 15%. Stealthy 6%. 1%. My goals are beyond your understanding. Me punching all the motherfuckers at school and collecting their broken teeth so the hoe ass tooth fairy runs out of money and has to give me a blowjob. Some guy falsely claiming a 11-inch horse cock to be Rasputin's cock. Rasputin's daughter confirming that horse's cock was her dad's cock. New research finds Jupiter is flinging asteroids at Earth. Honestly, do you blame it? The best scene in Forrest Gump is when Forrest says it's Gump in time and starts humping her. 9-year-old me waiting for my mom to come so I can tell her that I pooped in the bathtub. Me trying not to lose my shit when life switches difficulty level to hardcore. What happened to him? He googled who founded Volkswagen. When Australians go see the Barbie movie and it turns out it's not a movie about grills. I'm a genie. I offer you 3 wishes. Make it 4. Granted. You have 3 left. Outstanding move. Me almost all the time while browsing Reddit. Why even post this? The 4 horsemen of actors with unlimited meme potential. When you call your stepbrother motherfucker and your mother and he becomes awkwardly quiet. Oh, you like rap? Name every rapist. I don't see skin color. What I see. Parkour. The restaurant cashier after I press no tip when I pick up my food and all they did was hand over the POS terminal. You're such a dumb animal. You spend money to get drunk. I get drunk off of bad fruit I found on the ground. Me with my cousin at family gatherings when we realize that the topic is changing towards our career and education. Whispers. Let's get the f out of here. When you fall into a cave in Minecraft 1.18. I've been falling. For 30 minutes. The age of the United States. The age of a soy sauce company in Japan. I remember when I first got Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, I picked the book up and it accidentally flicked to the last few pages and I quickly shut it because I didn't want to spoil it for myself, but I saw Ginny kissed Albus and I remember thinking fking plot twist. Parents on a family trip after their 5th fight in 2 hours. Why is no one having a good time? I specifically requested it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more memes. Thanks for watching.